Welcome to 20308 Wiley Court. This is one of the most spectacular homes in all of Montgomery County, Maryland. My name's Caryn Gardiner. Let me show you around. One of the most spectacular features about this home is all this gorgeous natural light, showcasing this elegant stone fireplace. And if you're into entertaining, a chef's kitchen, it's a must. Imagine your own private conservatory or the most elegant home office. Each bedroom has its own private ensuite bathroom, and there's an additional full suite on the top level. Picture this. After a long day, you get to come home to this stunning primary suite. Light a fire, have a glass of wine, or maybe go take a whirl in your spa-like bathroom. Game day in this house, it's like no other. You have a full kitchen down here and a legit in-law suite right next door. Thanks for touring Wiley Court with me today. As you can see, this is a really special house. For a private showing, just give me a call. Bye.